Hey guys, so now I will teach you how to change your profile in Facebook. I in YouTube, I mean. So, let's go. This is for Android or tablet or iOS. I don't think in Apple or, but first you have to do is go here in this one, in this profile, in the man picture. So you should pick it. Then when you see it, you should go here in this little setting symbol, I mean. So then as you can see, there's a picture capturing a man, or I don't know what is that, but just press it. So it is take a photo or choose from your photos. Oh, I forgot. This is for 2017 update, so this is going to be nice now, 2017. So choose from your photos or take a photo. So I have to choose from your photos. So this one. So let's save. Yeah, okay. So profile photo successfully. Okay, so that is my photo, a profile picture. So that, thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Please subscribe in Rizri, and so bye.